Right. Hi there. This is VUIChallenge number 10, which is about asking for a restaurant address and phone number with a special focus on SSML. The use case that I selected is that you're an American or British tourist in Amsterdam. You're standing on the Dam Square, which is a very crowded square in the middle of Amsterdam with lots of tourists, lots of trams, bikes, and pigeons. And you want to try out a Dutch specialty called poffertjes. So you want to know what the best poffertjes restaurant is in Amsterdam, and that's what you ask on your smartphone. So I built this little flow in VoiceFlow, and let's see how it does. So let's start the test.
Hi there. Welcome to the great city of Amsterdam. Feeling hungry? Huh? What would you like to eat?
Poffertjes. Poffertjes.
Huh?
Baby pancakes.
You can eat the best poffertjes at De Veer Pillaring.
And what's the address?
The address for De Veer Pillaring is Stadhoudersgate 11 in Amsterdam.
And the phone number?
You can call De Veer Pillaring at 3120-363-6831.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome, and smakelijk eten.
Okay, well, to be honest, it didn't do too bad. The intonation overall is a bit still kind of robotic, so we can definitely try to work on that. And of course, it's struggling with the intent recognition for poffertjes. I've had the most wonderful words here already: barefoot shoes, lots of things that totally make no sense. So I made sure to include the paraphrase baby pancakes in the utterances. But of course, it's kind of struggling with the Dutch pronunciation. For instance, the restaurant name is De Vier Pilaren, and if you play it,
You can eat the best poffertjes at De Veer Pillaring.
so Pilaren, it's pronounced as Pillaren, so the stress is wrong, and also the vowels are not quite up to par yet for Dutch. So that's another point we can work on. Same for the address, Stadhouderskade.
The address for De Veer Pillaring is Stadhoudersgate 11 in
Stadhouderskade, so Kate should be turned into Kade, more work to do. And the phone number, I didn't chunk it, so it reads it as full numbers, like single digits. For balancing the cognitive load, we can definitely look at some form of chunking here and see what that results in the text to speech. I am considering also trying out some other voices to see if that helps with the Dutch pronunciation, because US English is, of course, very different from Dutch, whereas perhaps British English might be a bit closer. So that's something I want to try out too. So work on the Dutch pronunciation, improve the overall intonation of the voice, change the voice, and chunk the phone numbers. That's the 4 actions that I take into my next iteration for this design. Talk to you in a minute.